Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with two essentials, an Ao3 account and a browser extension when needed. First, sign in and check preferences display for a theme toggle. If Ao3 lacks a built-in option for your device, install Dark Reader or Stylus now so you can toggle dark immediately. Choose one method, built-in for simplicity, extension for site-wide control, or a custom user style for precise tweaks, then move to the next step to apply it correctly. Now apply and fine-tune the dark appearance. If Ao3 offers a theme, switch it on and confirm page elements invert correctly. With Dark Reader, enable site-specific mode and tweak brightness and contrast until text is legible. Using Stylus means install an Ao3 user style and enable it. Make small CSS tweaks if headings or code blocks break. Once done, check multiple pages, works, bookmarks, and reading pages to ensure consistent background, link color, and comfortable contrast across the site. Finish by refreshing Ao3 and clearing the browser cache so new styles load reliably. Make sure your extension or preference is set to run on Archive org specifically. If something looks off, disable other extensions to find conflicts and then re-enable them one at a time. If custom CSS causes layout issues, revert to Ao3 defaults and reapply changes incrementally, testing after each edit. Follow that one troubleshooting tip. Disable other extensions first, and you'll resolve most display problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.